Yeah, wonderful people. Onye na-eme ka nsi eme, onye na-ekwu ka nsi ekwu, onye na-arụ ka nsi arụ. Ya ka na-akpọ oyimo ọma. Some of you are acquainted with this music or this song. Now the person where they do as I they do, the person where they say or talk as I they talk, the person where they do the kind of things where they do, now be the person when I they call my friend. That's what I just sang. And this guy is just one of it. Thank you so much for doing this for your people.
Yes, still on Igara Road. Because of say that they collect them bribe, they no one they pass their own federal road again. Now the federal road where government do for them be that. They don't scatter the whole federal road. Federal government no get road. Now our road now come be the only road. The whole Igara town, they use motor, they destroy everybody. We no even get peace for inside community where we dey. They line up because the criminals where they watch over the gate. They don't turn on to toll gate, they collect money. E better make the cuckoo stop and see the kind truck where they follow like road where no reach two inches thickness. See una federal road. This is the federal road. This is where they are supposed to be using. They no use them again. See am New Market Road. Now the signboard be done. Now Market Road they come they use now. See the kind tonnage where they pass our road. And everybody keep quiet. See, all of them now they divert. They want divert enter here. Inside town, road where no reach 4 meters wide. Where be say ordinary cars they wait for each other sometimes. Ordinary cars they wait for each other. Make all of them now pass the below. All of una go sleep for here today. Oh. If una no go pass the below, now here all of una go sleep. All of una go sleep here today. Me I go sleep here, una go sleep here. Now my community be this, I'll go house, go chop. I go come back, come sit down here. Una go sleep here today. You no get where una they go. If federal government don't tire, make they go fix road for una. This road no be federal road, na state road. In fact, you know even just state road, na local road sef. See road, see motor, see vehicles, see vehicles, see vehicles. You no get where una dey pass. Na below road una go follow today. Una no dey pass here today. See am, if you go like this, the thing go reach your work. I no fit waka again. Make I go back. But the good thing is that they will not pass today. Me, I don't tire. Even criminals wey put for here, make they watch the bar. They don't turn am to private property. They carry hundreds of thousands come out for here every day. Imagine collect 3,000 from all this trailer. Nothing is being accounted for. IDA where do this thing. They not do it to the raise revenue. Igara Development Association where do this bar. They not do it to the raise money. Criminal-minded citizens, animals in human skin. When no they think of the citizens first. All they think about is their own pocket. Tomorrow they point down to only government. Even we will be citizens. Ordinary we our own self. We are not helping matters. We are not helping matters. If the road scatter finish now, they'll say this, that. The matter don't tire me. No get where nobody, no trailer go pass this road again. Tell your guys say una no dey pass today. If all the trailers sleep here 2 nights, their body go tell them. They will not say no be the road be this. Man, nobody stop una no use Ibilo Express. So make una use that express they go. But say una turn, divert pass here, e no go work. E no go work. Nobody go use this road today. No trailer go use this road today. Those of una where they come from Lampese, I no care how much una don't pay to beat that barrier. But this one, una no go beat am today. Una go where una they come from. Motor keep person that day for Ojirame. One park for inside Ososo town now. Nothing they do about them. Now they come here, come they kill us. Nobody go pass here today. No trailer go pass here today. No trailer go pass here today. Enough is enough. I no get on time since that day. But today, no trailer go pass here. May all of una they go back. Nobody. Make I even go down Marco Polo. Nobody go pass this road today. All of una go sleep here. If una sleep here with us, tomorrow if they carry una for motor, una go get out, tell the driver say make e no pass there. No trailer, no big motor go pass here today. May all those criminals wey dey open gate for una still come open am make I see. Useless people. We be our own enemy for this community. Thieves. Make dem still come open and collect money. Ma see bros nene se me ano. Ma call inside. Ono run me ano. Ma call. Go sleep here together today. No get where anybody dey go. This one na state road, no be federal road. Make dem fix the below road. Make if all of us feed the heat together, today, tomorrow, where nobody go anywhere, where all of una dey here park like that, una go understand say una suppose go do the needful. Take President Buhari may come do the needful. You know, girl go use the sea road where they tie that day. Where Governor Obaseki tie that day. See part of this. If you pass from here, go Ososona, the whole road don't scatter. No one remain again. Yet they want make we keep quiet. You know, kuku good make person die for something good. Which kind of rubbish be this one? Watch over place. Una turn am to toll gate, they take and make money. Tomorrow they'll build houses. They'll say, Alaba don dey work for how many years? He no fit get anything. They no know say na thief you dey thief they build. Every day you dey collect 2,000, 3,000 from one trailer. Trailer where they pass 5,000 sef. They say they go even dey beg una with 2,000 una no agree. Trailer where they pass here in a day reach 100, 500. Imagine calculate that one. Ordinary 1,000 sef for 500 trailers. 500,000 in a day. Barrier where IDA do without collecting any money from anybody. Good individuals. Mr. PK Moses, Alaji Kadiri and others for the group and then contribute money to do this thing. The others will come turn on to their own personal income. Just because of say you get the privilege to lead people, you go give them order. You take this amount if I'm not here. Now, may they come, they know they see her. Nobody go use this road today. Oga Makuna no vex, so the truth be say nobody go use this road today. We go all sleep here together. The video say go reach National Assembly. President Buhari go see am. Oga see, I take God beg una Not be say na wickedness with this one. Na make Nigeria good for me and you. Yes. Oga, if we continue like this and where this is the right thing, we dey do the wrong thing. The suffer where you dey suffer, where me dey suffer, our children go suffer past this one. You understand, Oga? So e better make we bear the pain now, do the right thing, so that the children where we dey born now, they no go suffer until we dey suffer.
You see it? Now, young people, I am glad more young people are beginning to rise up, to come out from their shell and speak out boldly. You know, I tell you this, if you keep quiet, your society will continue decaying and you will be the direct victims. Thank God, this message is sinking, it is spreading, the people are catching the anointing coming from Good Governance Ministry, of which I am fortunate to be the Archbishop, the presiding bishop of Good Governance Ministry. And that is exactly what this guy is exploring. And I encourage every young people, don't sit back there, lament, talk, call on social media, waste your time on frivolities, thinking that all is well with you when you have few change in your pocket or your bank account. Let me tell you, you will continue to suffer. You will continue to be on a rat race. You continue running until the end of your days on earth. We continue running away from this country to find greener pasture. You will continue running. When you get there, you continue running. When will it end? When will it end? So the better we start fixing our society now. It is our collective responsibility. All of us, it is our collective responsibility to start fixing abnormalities in our society. And what I found out so far is that you have more good people who are not interested to get involved, standing on the fence. Whereas you have very few number of very wicked, criminal-minded people in our community. Very, very few. But they make the loudest noise. They are as bold as anything in their criminality. Whereas those who are supposed to be bold, in fact, in a society that is working, if you are doing anything that is criminal tendency, you'll be careful. You'll not be that bold and audacious. Here, it is only those who are criminal minded until we reverse that trend, until everybody rise up. Because I've seen a situation whereby you come out on the street, you try to control the traffic, you help the people, including those who are passengers in that bus that you're trying to discipline the driver. Tell him, oh, you have to do the right thing. No, they will not do that. No, they will not. They will start threatening, accusing, abusing you with left, right, and center. That is why our society has failed completely. And until we all get involved, my dear, there will be no hope for us. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother, for doing the needful. And I must tell you, we must continue. And we must continue waking up more younger people to join us in this campaign so that we can liberate ourselves from a decayed society. Thank you so much, my brother. I will continue publishing you. I will continue reaching out to you and also encouraging more people to do same, because that is the only hope we have. Not just for us, but for our children and those yet unborn. I'm signing out. I'm Asuchi Chinedu Peters. Keep watching. Keep supporting what we're doing. Good Governance Ministry is here to stay. I will continue preaching, and this fire will spread until it touches every young life to rise up to the occasion. I'm signing out. I'm Asuchi Chinedu Peters. Just the voice of the people, the voice of God, and the voice of our ancestors, speaking as directed. And may you find grace to share this video. Subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop your comment. Stay safe. Bye-bye.